Hi, I'm Julia from Magestore. Today, I will show you how to install a product package to your site. In this video, the instruction will be provided in production mode. The example I'm going to use in this video will be the web point of sales and inventory management feature. There will be 5 steps in this video. Step 1. Upload the files to the server. Step 2. Change the directory. Step 3. Run the upgrade command and deploy the static content. Step 4. Flush your cache. Step 5. Check the installation. Step 1. Upload the files to your server. First of all, please make sure that you have downloaded the product package. Unzip the extension package downloaded. When you have completed, you will have a folder named App containing all files of the feature. Now, please connect to your FTP by using FileZilla or other FTP application to upload the files to the server. Step 2. Change the directory. After uploading all the files to your server, please log in to your SSH by using PuTTY or SSH command line. Please use the cd command to change the directory to your Magento 2 root folder. Step 3. Run the upgrade command and deploy the static content. Run setup upgrade command line. Then, wait a second to complete the installation process. If your website is in the production mode, you should rerun the Magento compile command. Please enter the command below. After that, if your website is in the default or the production mode, please type the command line below to deploy the static content. Step 4. Flush your cache. If you have enabled the cache in your website, please enter this command. For the other features in the omnichannel solution that use cron, you should set up cron for Magento by using the command line below. Step 5. Check the installation. Finally, going back to your Magento 2 admin to check if the extension is installed properly. So that's how you can install your package from Magestore.com. If you have any other question, feel free to contact us via email support@magestore.com. Thanks for watching.